How e dey be? So today na e get shoot wey we wan do introduction to the video. Una welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank una say una dey help me, una dey subscribe to my channel, una dey like my video. Abeg una no forget to always share the video as well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. How e dey be? My name na Roland Z, na photography scientist I be. Today now I wan talk quick one on how we take do one shoot. We no use any light, though at some point we add continuous light, but before the continuous light, the aim of the shoot na to achieve good pictures with natural light. Though we do other light analysis wey you go also see for the next video wey we go post next week. Now this particular video na natural light basically now use do everything for the video. We shoot, we carry the model go near window. As the model dey close to the window, we use window light, then adjust our camera exposure. Now this thing na basically about exposure triangle, how to use your ISO, aperture and shutter speed, because sometimes when we dey shoot we dey lay more emphasis on the light. So if we get small light source, you go come notice say na only small side na the light go touch, the picture go dark. But once you understand say exposure triangle na one particular thing wey really get importance for camera, major one for camera, then you go come know how to take use the exposure triangle. So if you notice how the model we just carry her go close to the window, now na just window light we dey use. We go come involve our reflector. Just carry your reflector go closer to the model. You go see say the reflector now go cast out some shadows from the model face. You understand? You know say we no see no be only reflector you go use, but for now just dey watch this before and after, with and without the reflector. You go see the major difference. You see am abi? Then more continue, because now na mostly on exposure triangle dey work. We use waterproof. Now we just dey assume say some people now fit no get reflector. So with this waterproof now, you go see say the white, the bounce light, they come back to her face. So if you don't even get anything, if you use waterproof, if you use white cloth, if you use paper, like anything very bright, just keep am close to the face. It go bounce light from, normally they come from window, it go bounce and go back to the model face. You go see how before and after dey. This other one now, you take am without the waterproof. I think you don't see how the difference dey. You see that? You don't see how the difference dey. You see that little touch. Now just say could use a reflector just to take some more pictures. So basically now like this way we dey use shoot natural light photography inside studio. Make sure say you get good light source. You get one self wey no do. If you use your diffuser, put for the window, the shadow go dey softer for our face, but we no do that one as we dey shoot. Like this now, one use V1. You understand? V1 na Godox speed light and a very good speed light. E get mood lamp wey we go like use. Now the mood lamp like this, if you press this button, it go on. If it's reduce am with that round button really by the side. So now one apply am with one use mood light and window light. Just dey observe how this light go turn out for this particular picture we want do. So now they use window light and side light, then the mood light as our main light. Just watch how the two go work together. You see how the thing come out. Even look over exposure, because my exposure for camera dey very high. Why my exposure self even get like that now? Because it just dey depend on the camera to fit get this picture right. So now so the mood light and natural light, they work together to give you good results. All these things na things wey on your own, if you just dey try am, dey see different things then we go work for you. If you notice, we just dey adjust the light different ways. Like now the one uses smooth light gets this butterfly lighting this year. So just dey try and different ways to know which one we go work better for us. And our model just dey kill this photo shoot with her poses. Make sense. I go put her handle for the video description. So Mona just check her out on Instagram. A very good model. And I see how the picture results can come out a bit. So yes, now so we shoot today. Oh, we'll still post other video by next week about lighting. Mona just tell us something I think about this particular behind the scene way we do. Thank you. I bet don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification so that if we post another video, you no go miss am. So now like this way we take shoot this video. Just tell us what you think for the comment section. Thank you.